So today I went out to a church that I used to actually work at to clean their carpets. This is the children's area. As you can tell, it's blue carpet, but it hadn't been cleaned in, well, I guess it's been 2 or 3 years since they've had me out to clean it. So this is the gentleman who oversees the maintenance and the janitorial at the church. So he was just a little chit chat. As you can see, I work really fast. Actually, just kidding. That's obviously time lapse. I didn't want to bore you with the actual time because it's really not that exciting. But the carpet comes pretty much clean. There are some spots that, like that line there you see, that's where they put some kind of tape to separate the room for the kids, and the glue from the tape just doesn't come up. And way off in the distance, right like behind me now, you can see there's a white spot. That's paint. It's been spilled and it wasn't cleaned up. I've tried before. Last time I was here, it's not coming out of the carpet. So here I am. Looks like I'm moonwalking a little bit while I'm cleaning the carpet. Spraying. I pre-sprayed this before I started the camera, so when you see me spraying, I'm just basically going back over it again. Some spots like that in front of the Coke machine was really nasty, and I've treated it several times. You'll see in just a second I'll kneel down with a scrub brush, and those are gum or candy spots. And I tell you, they normally come up no problem with the chemicals I have. These wouldn't hardly budge. I guess they've been there for several years. So all in all, I think it took me about 2 hours total time.